Zombies and vampires are so different. But all of them want to be beautiful. A Halloween party is a perfect place for a zombie and a vampire because it's so easy to find a new victim. Hey, look who's here! My rival! Two evil beings are way too much for one party. Go away! This is my territory. No, it's mine. There you go. All the potential victims ran away. And how am I supposed to continue my hunt? Then let's have a battle. Which monster is the most beautiful and has the best makeup? Deal! The battle starts, and here is a couch. Settle in, cute monsters! Our vampire Elsa has an exquisite highlighter for creating a midnight glow. Scrape out lips in the center of a highlighter. Add pink makeup glitter to white highlighter. Mix it and fill the lips with it. Add rubbing alcohol and press it down with a cotton pad. Coat the cap with black acrylic paint. Apply some white paint. Make it look like the surface of a stone. Hot glue on some wooden lips. Paint a vampire mouth. Coat it with clear polish. Add drips of blood on the cap using red hot glue. When you see the fangs, you know right away whose highlighter this is. Elsa checks if there is enough glow on her cheekbones. She looks like she's straight out of Twilight. And our zombie, Clementina, wants to add some color to her cheeks. She has the brainiest blush in the world. Scrape out a brain on the surface of a pink baked blush using a toothpick. Scratch the grooves of the brain. Paint a little bitten heart on the cap. Make it look like a brain. Label it. Coat the background with clear glue and sprinkle with nail art decor. Coat the heart with acrylic polish. A blush brain in a box? This is very creative. A little blush and Clementina looks beautiful. Who will win this first round? The zombie's brainy blush gets 1 point. Good job, Clem! Vampires move faster than zombies, but Clementina still managed to get out her secret case from her secret stash. Let's see what's inside. An antidote lip gloss for a zombie. We will need a color-changing lip gloss that turns pink when you apply it. Clean the labels off using nail polish remover. Add some fluorescent makeup powder to the lip gloss. Stir it. Cover the container with masking tape. Coat the cap with chrome silver spray paint. Remove the tape. Attach a sticker that says Zombie Antidote to the cap. Paint an empty plastic clay box silver. Cut the curvy part off a sponge and hot glue the sponge into the box. Put in the lip gloss. We got the antidote, so we don't need the case anymore. No! Vampires protect the environment. We won't leave this case in the forest. We'll recycle it. Clementina gets carried away with her green lip gloss. This color reminds her of a swamp. It emphasizes her eyes. How nice! While Clementina was dolling up, the weather changed. Hey, where did the vampire go? It looks like a natural disaster is coming. Elsa found an amulet lip gloss. This is a pendant with the blood of Dracula's first wife. Put red lipstick into a small tube of lip gloss. Stir it well. Wipe the cap with rubbing alcohol to remove the glitter. Coat it with black nail polish. Superglue metallic bead caps and a chain to the sides of the lip gloss. Make it look like a vial of blood. Let's apply the new red gloss to the lips. I'll be the most beautiful vampire at the end of the world. And look, the zombie finally joined us. So, whose gloss is better this time? I bet mine is. Don't argue with a zombie. What will the judges say? Elsa's bloody lip gloss wins. Don't cry, zombie. The life of a zombie is full of fun. Oh, my phone. Oh no, it's my worst enemy, the front camera. I look deathly pale. These under eye circles. I need to put on some makeup. Where's my zombie eyeshadow? Here they are, my lovely glowing eyes. Attach plastic eyes to a craft box. Make it more textured using hot glue. Create a brain with hot glue. Color the box with acrylic paint. Paint empty ball-shaped containers white. Trace a round cap and color it to look like an eyeball. Add pupils and highlights. Put eyeshadow inside the containers. Add a few drops of rubbing alcohol. Press down using a cotton pad. Let it dry. Fill the craft box with artificial moss and put in the eyeballs. Well, which eye should I go for? Left, right, or the third one? I'll make myself pretty. Let's upgrade my smoky eyes. I'm glowing. Look at all this beauty. Awesome! Where is this smoke coming from? But the vampire is up to something else. I came to show you real eyeshadow from beyond the grave. It's in a portable coffin for convenience. Decorate the inside of a coffin-shaped box with artificial roses. Glue black lace with a spiderweb pattern inside the lid. Cut off the excess. Coat the outside of the box with black nail polish. Hot glue a rectangular box inside. Fill the empty space with red hot glue. Put in broken black eyeshadow. Make it look like cemetery soil. Press the eyeshadow down using a few drops of rubbing alcohol. Glue a ribbon to the outside of the lid. Decorate it with lace and a rhinestone. Elsa's eyeshadow palette is so spooky. Let's open up the coffin and apply some to her vampire eyes. The palette is made according to the best vampire traditions. Elsa knows a lot about makeup. So who's the winner? The coffin or the eyes? 1 point goes to Elsa. Well done, vampire! It's a regular night for the vampire. She is getting ready for a hunt, so she'll apply some vampire mascara. Shape a burning candle on the cap of a mascara tube using hot glue. Melt the top part of a candle along with a wick in a microwave so the wick gets soaked with the wax. Attach the wick to the mascara. Use tweezers so you don't burn with the hot wax. Add candle drips with red hot glue. Make a cut along the cap. Put the mascara into a candle holder. Let's make this night more romantic. How about lighting up this mascara? It's a perfect substitute for a candle. I just have to smooth my cape, but the zombie has a surprise already. Oh, holy Dracula! Blow out the mascara before it starts burning. I'll show you some handmade natural zombie mascara. Wrap a tube of mascara in light clay. Shape a bone on the cap. Take a lot of light clay and make a zombie hand. Add fingers and details. Coat the hand with green acrylic paint when the clay hardens. Paint wounds on the skin. Color the bone white. Hot glue jaggy press-on nails. Color them with acrylic paint. Cut the clay near the cap so it can open. This is just mascara, not a real zombie hand. Don't worry. Applying mascara to your lashes with a zombie hand is very easy. This mascara is irreplaceable, just like my right hand. So, who's the winner of the final round? The point goes to the zombie hand. So it means the score is 2-2. It's a tie. Did you like our monster-inspired makeup? Then comment below who you were rooting for, spooky vampire makeup or creepy zombie makeup. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new monster battles from Troom Troom.